It's a Friday, baby!
Stuck on you. Still I'm down deep in my soul that I just can't do.
Doesn't know!
Guess I'm on.
Isa ka bang OFW na naghahanap ng extra pagkakitaan? Well, if yes, panoorin mo to. Merong dropshipping business na pwede mong gawin even as abroad ka through our Siomai King and other food and wellness franchise na umaabot kahit sa ibang bansa. Na pwede kang matulungan na magkaroon ng one-way ticket pauwi sa Pilipinas at kumita ng malaki katulad nila.
My one-month income, 375,000 pesos.
I'm Erica Joy Rebaño, a former OFW, dating yaya sa UAE, right now a businesswoman, and kumuha lang naman ng 166,000 one week income sa House of Franchise.
Ako po si Lilibet
Iyo.
Ones, OFW na Hong Kong.
Iyo.
Umuwi tayo dito para kumuha tayo ng chicken.
Iyo.
111,000.
Start earning now.
Messages!